Gukiriria ARITWA skuru ya MERU University para bathithĩtie maandamano ntere Chianchiro. ARITWA baba bathithĩtie maandamano jaja bakimena iria KANJU iria rungamirite skuru ije nyuma yayo kurungamia ngugi munini wa Chancellor. KANJU ije neregete kwa murungamiri ujo kandarathi njeru bakiuga naremi gukiria skuru eu na munini ujo wa Chancellor ROMANUS ODHIAMBO augite kuri na siasa kirente tweje akiuga kinya na ati gwikira kirore certificate cia ARITWA baraberi giri gwikirwa thumbi mweri jojo muthuri Murioki na ripoti je.
Na ini gatagata kuonekana Cukuru ya MERU University onyo ni nyuma ntiko inka indru lecturer ba Cukuru eje barachumiretie na kuthithia mugomo ne kireba kuga ni utongere bobwe baba Chancellor ROMANUS ODHIAMBO
Romano Romano Romano
Kituminande kinya KANJU ire budia kurungamira university je chumiretie akava Chancellor ROMANUS ODHIAMBO rutharo razima gitumige kinande giatuma ARITWA mthenya na bachumiria na kuthithia maandamano na gitumi kiao nande bateko nda Vice Chancellor jo ROMANUS ODHIAMBO ethwagita
Comrades, power! Comrades, attention! We are here today. Yes. We are demonstrating. Yes. We have suspended peace until we see our VC back into the office.
Yes. The removal of VC, he has been forced into a leave that he never wanted.
Yes.
And an acting VC has been appointed. These politicians, the SD, the chairperson caretaker, we declare you are out of office. We will not want you as our leaders. We want the nation to know that the students are behind the VC.
Ronzo wake ya gwethira ana baba tekwenda Romano batekethira bathithĩtie mantu ya bathithĩtie na batu kuma magambo ao weta totona na baba inge skuru baba inge yo na ito kuona baba inge ina ibaretete bwega ende kwao batu turenda mantu zetu chathikirwa na kena batunya batwethe kwetu yomba kuendelea bwega
Boris ni tonyere gatigati na kwithwe kyangarathani ARITWA baba nyiwa kwenda tonyo university kwa lazima
Toka bwana.
Huyo mtu aletwe. Napenda kutupima basi.
Ende muthiene tukiaria njira mwanya na Vice Chancellor ROMANUS ODHIAMBO augite Cukuru ije gende gorege otiatho ni siasa.
And what is happening in MERU is basically tribalism, it's basically corruption, it's basically insincerity, and that touches all the people. For example, the council came to evaluate me on Monday, this Monday. And one of the things, they gave me a report saying that my performance is below average. Surely, I'm a professor of statistics. You go to the SCAC evaluation, my average is 89%. I've just given you the statistics of mathematics of students from 4,500 to over 11,000. I think people think, maybe the business people or politicians or what have you, that there's so much money in the university and ODHIAMBO perhaps is not willing to cut corners because I always have to advertise these things openly and whoever wins is the one who gets.
Na nanike makokiawe ni atatumba gwikira kirore kiri certificate cia ARITWA barabati gwikira thumbi mweri jojo akiuga muntoro thuri kurungamira university je atena wathoba gwikira kirore certificate iji.
Really to sign their certificates is really to bless them as their academic father. But no sooner have I done that than I'm told that my performance is below expectations. The best gifts I could have given to my first children of MERU University of Science and Technology would have been really to sign those certificates as a substantive DVC. This is very important because it gives credibility, it gives happiness and assurance that yes, we went through this. Because what I've seen is that the council has gone ahead and appointed not an acting vice chancellor, but they have appointed somebody standing in until a substantive acting vice chancellor is appointed. The question is, who is going to sign those certificates? Because you cannot sign a certificate as somebody standing in.
Anaika gwetera ni kuona kethira Romanus ODHIAMBO akethwa agicokwe kuringana na nditoba kwenda kana wendekithia bakanjwe cukuru iji egotigira Romanus ODHIAMBO agweta bokethwa bukirikithwa nkiripotera urujuma mbita muthuri Muriuki.